Alright guys, we got a 2015 Camry with the bulb out. There you go. 3 bulbs are working, all of them. Put on the headlights. Let go of the brake. Put on the lights.
Headlights.
Okay, you see that bulb is working. This one is not working. Okay, so dual flare bulb. Pop the trunk. We're gonna change this bulb.
Pop the trunk.
So from back here, what you want to do is you're gonna have clips here like this guy. You just turn this, push this in, and this guy comes off. You push this in and this baby will come off just by pushing this in. Okay, just like that. You just need to push this tab in and pull it at the same time. And if you got a clip here, that will come off. This side is missing. Since we're changing this side, I wanted to show you the other side. Very simple. You see that? This bulb is this bulb right here. What you want to do is you want to turn this counterclockwise and this baby comes out. Then you want to grab this and you just want to pull out this bulb, okay, gently. Okay, I'm using one hand, but if you use 2 hands, if you use 2 hands like that, make sure bulb's not hot because it does get hot. So it's a dual flare bulb. Okay, dual flare bulb, that means it has 2 filaments in it. So anytime you got 3 wires, it's a double filament. Anyways, I'm gonna go get a new bulb and just stay put right here and I'll be right back. So I got me a double filament bulb. This is 7443. Make sure your hands are dry, they're not greasy. Wipe it down with a rag or something. Anyways, you can put this bulb this way or this way. It does not matter. Just push it in. You see he had the lights on. The bulb came on immediately and it turned off. The connection was improper, but there you go. Wiggle it around a bit and that's it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bulb and you take this guy and you put it back in, find the same slot, and you turn it clockwise. Bada bing, bada boom, and you're all done. You take these babies. You're missing the pieces here, but let me show you this side. So you take this little guy, it lines here and it goes right in, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.